Have you ever imagined how nice it would be if we could see from underwater what's going on the surface or above the surface of the water? Yes, from underwater. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered with water. We already have discovered most of the land and it's time to see through water. Just another way of viewing the world. I am Abhishek Gupta, a physics engineering master's student of Instituto Superior Técnico. In this video, I am going to give you an overview of my master thesis project, that is, strategies for object detection in mobile targets. I am doing this project under the supervision of Professor Susanna Freitas, principal investigator and co-director of INESCAMEN. I am doing this project to find a way to detect mobile objects over the surface of the water using underwater sensor networks. The traditional methods of detecting objects over the surface of the water entail the use of radars or satellites, which are very expensive. Besides the high cost, satellite images are easily affected by the cloud cover, and it is difficult to detect small boats or ships with marine radar because of the noise or clutter generated by the uneven water surface. Hence, we will go for new system called underwater sensor networks. Let's try to understand what is underwater sensor network. How does it work? Underwater sensor network is a network of large number of sensor nodes. Each sensor nodes are connected with underwater gateways, which relay data from underwater network to surface station. Underwater gateways communicate with two different acoustic transceivers, horizontal and vertical transceiver. Horizontal transceiver is used to communicate with underwater sensor nodes. On the other hand, vertical link relay data to surface station. Surface station is equipped with acoustic transceiver and a satellite transmitter. Acoustic transceiver is able to communicate with underwater sink and satellite transmitter communicates with onshore sink. Now the question is, what are the communication medium available for underwater sensor networks? Well, there are three kinds of communication mediums available for underwater sensor networks. First, acoustic medium. The typical physical layer technology in underwater networks are based on acoustic communications. The speed of sound in water varies depending on the salinity, temperature and pressure. The another medium is optical medium. Due to the absorption and intensity problem in the water, it has limited use. But because of the higher bandwidth, it's good for short ranges. And third, electromagnetic medium, which has higher frequencies and larger bandwidth. Acoustic noise or turbulence also does not affect much the propagation of electromagnetic waves. One of the special features of electromagnetic waves is it does not influence by clarity of the water, which gives it an advantage for shallow water communication. Now let's talk about the influencing design factors. The design of the sensor network is influenced by several factors such as fault tolerance, scalability, production cost, sensor network topology, etc. Okay, so far so good. But how it is different from terrestrial sensor networks? Well, underwater sensors are more expensive devices than terrestrial sensors. Deployment is deemed to be more sparse in underwater networks. For underwater communication, higher power is needed. Besides this, spatial correlation is also difficult because of the higher distance among sensors. That's also fine. But what are the challenges? The propagation delay, limited bandwidth, impaired channel, high bit error rate and high energy consumption are the major challenges for this type of communications. Now the aim of my project is to improve the border surveillance program by detecting the irregular migration and cross-border crime at the border crossing points, taking the benefit of underwater sensor networks. So let's try to bring a change for humanity, a change for better future. Thank you for watching.